Hey guys, myself Rakesh and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to focus how do you find packages that you have installed in Python. How do you find that package path in Python? Okay, that is the topic. So first of all, to understand everything in detail, I'm going to show you from the scratch. Please do help me. I need your support. Please do subscribe to my channel. With that, let's get started. First thing, what you do, you open command prompt. Okay, I'm going to open command prompt, and in the command prompt let me type PIP, and when you say list, right, it gives you a list of packages. So it says currently you have camel case, I have I have PIP, and I have setup tools. These are the three packages which is there. Now when I went to my location, which is C drive, what is C drive, and if I go to program files, I have done a custom installation of Python, and all my program files are there inside Python 3.10. okay, so here if I went to library, okay, library, and then if I went to site packages, I do not see, for example, here it is saying pip 22.1.2. now here if I see pip 22.0, not 1, so it has the older one. And next thing it says setup tools 58.1.0, that is same, but camel case is not there. See, camel case is also not there. So in this case, you will be surprised where that package is. I have installed the package, but where it's gone, where exactly that package is located. No worries, I am going to help you. What you do, type idle and open idle on your system. Okay, now on this, what I'm doing, I'm going to create a file. I already have a file. You can create a new file, or else if you already have a file, open that. So any file, any py file that you have, open it or create a file by hitting on new. So on my desktop I have a file. Okay, so this is the file which I have. Now I'm going to delete everything, leave it blank. Now I got to know that I have a package called camel case, right? Where is that? Escape. Okay, so here I saw that the package is 0.2 is there, but how? So that means I'll be able to import it, right? So if I type import camel case, I should be able to import without any error. Okay, fine, it is importing, but again that I am not able to see that exact path on my folder, right? For that, what I will do, I'll create a variable called file path, let's say. Okay, equals to, I will use the package name, which is camel case, and now here I am going to write dot and then put two underscores, and then file you write, and then put two underscores. Fine, and then let's print this, so that let me know where exactly that package is installed through this method. Okay, so I'm saying file path, and then hit on run, hit on run module, and hit on OK. So this is going to tell me, hey, your file is exactly here. So it is giving me the entire path. So what I will do, I'll copy this until camel case. Let me copy it. Okay, so it is in a different location. So let's go back to Windows and go to the file explorer, and here I'm going to copy and paste it and hit on enter. Now I see, so if I go to site packages, see camel case is there, pip is there, 22.1.2 version is there. So in the previous path, because we are looking at a different path, so it could be you might have installed the package somewhere, and but you are not sure where exactly that got installed. This is where it got installed. Okay, camel case. If I go to camel case init, this is where the function starts, the package usage will start from here, right? Initialization, this is where the package will initiate. So this is the path. How do you find a path in Python? Okay, so this is how you will be able to find the path, by writing this. Okay, this is one of the learning which people might wonder on the internet. How do I really find? I installed a package and I'm not able to get it. So this is one of the way using which you will be able to get the proper path where exactly that package is installed. Okay, so thank you guys for watching it, and also do have a note of this path. Okay, so it is coming from C drive users, your username, app data, roaming, Python 3, 10 site package. Okay, so this is what the exact path. If you have to really travel this entire path, let's do that. C drive, then users, then your username, then he said app data, right? It said app data. So let's go to what is the app data? I mean, yeah, here it is, app data. It will be hidden. Okay, so ensure view hidden items is enabled on your Windows system, and then it went to roaming, and then it went to, where is that, roaming, right? It went to roaming or something else it went to, let me check. Roaming, and then it went to Python. Yeah, Python, and then Python 3.10, and then within the side packages you have all this. Getting it? So this is how you'll be able to find the package installed through PIP. So how to install packages I have shown in the previous video. You must have already watched it. If not, you can definitely take benefit of that video. Thank you guys for watching it. Please do subscribe. I need your support. Kindly subscribe to the channel, guys, and support me. Thank you. We are going to meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.